We work with heavy industrial customers throughout the states, quite varied and broad. A lot of the problems that we deal with, they're never ever the same. So that allows the entire company to come up with very unique solutions to very unique problems that our customers have. And we really get to apply Belzona technologies to solve those problems. We had one of our big customers within the state that approached us. They had one particular problem, that this pump sees processed water. The pump was heavily corroded. The corrosion was starting to damage the integrity of the equipment. And we found a unique opportunity here to help them rather than buy a brand new pump. And the solution that we offer was just a fifth of the cost of replacing the equipment. In the restoration of the pump, we utilized Belzona 1111 for the rebuilding, for the restructuring internally. And then we utilized Belzona 1381 as the coating to protect the pump from the environment. The process of repairing this particular pump involved blasting all the metal to near white metal to make sure that the metal is completely exposed. We did quite a bit of extensive testing, then took the step of decontaminating the pump. And then we started the coating and rebuilding process. The process of coating and protecting the pump starts off by rebuilding all the damage that's already within the pump. Once the pump is to proper standards, then we come in with our coatings, put the first coat, put the second coat, and do all of our inspections to make sure the quality control and the quality assurance of that job is up to our standards. Once we completed the process, we delivered the pump back to the customers. They were very excited to receive the equipment in such perfect condition, and they put it back into service, and that pump is doing its job right now. The client was very grateful. Not only did we refurbish the pump back to original conditions, but now it's protected. So we expect it to last much longer than a brand new pump.